Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today's story is called Ava's Daily Routine. It is about Ava's life as a coffee shop barista and an ESL student. Together, we will practice daily English and explore everyday life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started. I wake up at 7 a.m. I open my eyes when my alarm rings. The sun shines through my window. I stretch my arms and feel a little sleepy. I sit up slowly in my bed. I smile because it is a new day. I go to the bathroom. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with cold water. I feel fresh and awake. I go to the kitchen. I make a piece of toast and a cup of tea. I eat slowly at the table. I check my phone while eating. I feel ready for work. I open my closet and choose my clothes. I put on my coffee shop uniform. I tie my hair back. I look in the mirror and smile. Now I am ready to leave home. I walk to the coffee shop. I carry my small bag with me. I walk down the street. The air is cool in the morning. I see people walking to work. The coffee shop is not far from my house. I start work at 9 a.m. I say hello to my coworkers. I put on my apron. I check the coffee machines. I look at the menu board. The shop is ready to open. I make coffee for customers.
Hi, I'd like a latte, please.
A man orders a latte. I grind the coffee beans. I steam the milk. I pour the latte into a cup. The customer smiles and says thank you. I serve sandwiches and cakes. A woman wants a sandwich and a slice of cake. I take the food from the display. I put it on a small plate. I carry it to her table.
Thank you very much.
She looks happy with her food. I clean the tables. Some customers leave the shop. I pick up the empty cups. I wipe the table with a cloth. I put the chairs back in place. The shop looks nice and tidy again. I talk with my coworkers. During a quiet moment, we chat. We talk about our families. We laugh about funny stories. We share plans for the weekend. It makes work more enjoyable. I take a short lunch break. I sit at a small table in the back. I eat a sandwich and drink water. I check my messages on my phone. I rest my legs for a few minutes. Soon, it is time to work again. I finish work in the afternoon. The shop is less busy. I clean the counter. I take off my apron. I say goodbye to my coworkers. Then I leave the shop. I take the bus to school. I walk to the bus stop. I wait with other people. The bus arrives in 5 minutes. I get on and find a seat. I look outside the window. I arrive at my ESL class. The school building is big. I walk into my classroom. Hello, Mr. Henderson.
Hello, Ava.
The teacher smiles and says hello. Many students are already there. I sit down at my desk. I listen to the teacher. The teacher writes on the board. He explains new words. I listen carefully. I take notes in my notebook. I try to understand everything. I practice speaking English. The teacher asks us to talk in pairs. I sit with my classmate. We practice a short dialogue. I try to speak clearly. I feel more confident. I write new words in my notebook. I open my notebook. I write the new words neatly. I also write their meanings. I read the words again and again. I hope to remember them well. I talk with classmates in English. After class, I speak with my friends. We ask each other questions. Sometimes we make mistakes, but we help each other. It is fun to practice together. I go home after class. It is evening now. I take the bus back home. The streets are busy with cars. I feel a little tired, but I am also happy. When I am home, dinner is ready. I eat dinner with my family. My dad looks at me and says,
How was your day, Ava?
It was busy but good. We talk about our day and laugh together. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I watch TV for a while. Sometimes I play a game on my phone. I read a book or listen to music. The evening goes by quickly. It is around 10 o'clock. I finish my shower. I dry my hair with a towel. Then I put on my pajamas. Now I feel relaxed and ready to sleep. I lie down in my bed. I close my eyes. I smile because I feel happy. Soon I fall asleep. I sleep well all night. This was today's story, Ava's daily routine. Living in a new place is not always easy. It is a journey of learning and growth. I hope you enjoyed the story, learned a little more English, and discovered something about daily life in Canada. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.